Nice stable descent. See, it's 16, 15 miles an hour. Last milliseconds, we're going to get the retrothrust system that's going to fire. It's going to kick up the dust, but that's a nice air cushion for the payloads. I see our team has already left our center here. It's going off to recover the capsule, and there it is, touchdown. A beautiful, beautiful launch and landing of the booster and the capsule today. Incredible. I'm telling you, this has been quite the morning. There's nothing like a work day, quote unquote work day, when you get to launch and land rockets. Am I right? Look at those two beautiful pieces of engineering. Look at that. Again, congratulations to the whole Blue Origin team, and congratulations to our customers. I know they're going to be heading out there shortly to check out their payloads. In fact, you know, their work is actually just starting now, if you think about it.